Hey guys, today I'm filming this look and it is really pretty and really easy and I love it a lot. It's my new favorite summer look because it's quick and easy and very pretty and very just kind of low-key. But I do like playing with my makeup a little bit more now that it's summer and I can just kind of do whatever I want now because it's summer. And yeah, so I am going to go do the tutorial and see you guys later. Bye. Go check it out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is prime your eyes using Urban Decay Shadow Primer Potion. I'm going to rub that in. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is take Too Faced First Base Soothing Eyeshadow Base. And it looks like this. And I'm going to take my, you can either take like your middle finger or your ring finger. I usually take my middle finger. I'm going to rub my finger in there and put this all over my lid. Like that. And just wipe your fingers off. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is take Lancome's Kitten Heel. This is a shimmer color. Looks like this. And it's kind of like a gold pink, depending on the light. And there it's kind of shadowy because of the laptop, but you know, there's like goldish pink. It's really pretty and it's kind of chunky. It's got lots of glitter. And I'm going to take just your basic shadow brush, flat shader brush, put it in there, and I'm going to put this on top of that color to kind of set it and give it a little bit more of a glow. Okay. So then I'm going to take Lancome's Honeymoon. And this is a sheen. Hit paint on it. And it's kind of a fleshy toned color. And I'm going to take my MAC 227. Get it in there. I'm going to put this on my brow bone. Okay, then I am going to do my eyeliner. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Liner Tips Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner. Okay. Gotta shake it. Okay, now I'm going to put this on the top. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is take NYC eyeliner pencil, and this is just the white one. I don't know if there's a specific color, but it's just the white one. And I am going to put this on my lower waterline. Yeah. Okay, that'll just make your eyes look bigger and brighter and more like awake. And then I'm going to take my Lashblast Volume, covered by CoverGirl. Love this mascara. I'm going to put this on. Excuse my hair. I haven't done it yet, because I haven't really done anything except go get snow cones. Now that it's summer, I just kind of like playing with my makeup a little bit more since I don't have school and stuff, and you know, I don't have to worry about dress codes and all that and looking presentable for school. You know, you can just kind of play with your makeup a little bit better. Okay, so then I'm going to take my blush, and I am using Blush of Youth by MAC. And I'm going to take my angled contour brush by Sonia Kashuk. Get it in there. Put it on the apples of my cheeks and back. Okay. Then I'm going to take Rimmel London Sweet Jelly Sheer Lip Gloss in Tutti Frutti. I love this lip gloss for summer because it's not too shimmery or sticky, and it's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to get some out. Okay. And that's it. This look is really simple, and it's one of my shorter tutorials, I think. I don't know. I can't see the time on here. But it's one of my shorter tutorials, I think. I hope. And it's really simple and pretty for just like going out and going to the bonfire or something, or if you're going out after the beach and you don't have much time to get ready. Or it's just great for like going out after you've gone to the pool or something and you don't have a lot of time to get ready. I need to paint my nails. But yeah, it's really pretty and it's really easy to pull off. And you can pretty much use like any basic gold cream eyeshadows. I know Revlon has some cream eyeshadows that are comparable to like MAC and stuff. This one is by Too Faced and I really like it. And then you can pretty much get like any eyeshadow that looks comparable to this. I want to do a dupe video coming up. I need to go to the drugstore. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.